This video will explain Paytm charges and does Paytm have hidden charges or not. What is Paytm? Paytm is a digital payment app that allows you to send and receive money, pay bills and recharge, use UPI for bank-to-bank transfers, use a wallet for stored balance payments. Everything can be managed from your mobile phone. First, you have to understand this clearly. Many people worry about hidden charges, but in most normal situations, Paytm does not charge money for basic UPI payments. First one, UPI payments, the most common use. What is UPI? UPI stands for Unified Payments Interface. UPI allows money to move directly from one bank account to another bank account. Charges for UPI payments. Sending money free, receiving money free, scanning a QR code and paying free. Real life example. Suppose you pay 500 rupees at a shop using a QR code. Money goes from your bank account. The shop receives the full 500 rupees. No extra charge is deducted. So in this situation, there are no hidden fees. Second one, Paytm wallet charges. What is wallet? A wallet is a digital balance stored inside the Paytm. You add money first, then use that balance for payments. Possible charges. Adding money using a credit card may have a small fee. Transferring wallet money to a bank account may have charges. Real life example. Suppose you add 1000 rupees to Paytm wallet using a credit card, then depending on the current rules, you may be charged a small extra amount like 10 rupees to 30 rupees. This depends on the payment method and Paytm policies. Third one, merchant payments, business side. Now let's understand what happens for shop owners and businesses. If you are a merchant, receiving money through UPI is usually free. Receiving money through wallet or card payments may involve small charges. What is MDR? MDR stands for Merchant Discount Rate. This is a small percentage fee charged to businesses. Normal customers usually do not pay this fee. Fourth one, fast transfers and special services. Some special services may include charges. For example, instant wallet to bank transfers, movie ticket bookings, flight bookings, certain bill payments with convenience fees. Real life example. Suppose you book a movie ticket. Ticket price is 200 rupees. Convenience fee is 20 rupees. Total amount becomes 220 rupees. This charge is not hidden. The fee is shown before you confirm the payment. Fifth one, hidden charges, the truth. Now let's understand the most important point. Paytm does not secretly deduct money without showing you. Charges are displayed before you confirm the payment. If you do not check the payment details, the charge may feel hidden. So remember, UPI payments are completely free. Extra services may have visible charges. Always read the payment summary before confirming. Now we will see the common confusion. Many people say Paytm is charging me, but the actual reason may be different. The charge could be a platform fee for tickets, a bank or card charge, a wallet transfer fee. That is why checking the payment summary is very important. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.